Welcome back to video 2 of our web development series. In video 1, we built the raw HTML skeleton of our developer card. Now it's time to bring it to life with CSS3. There are 3 ways to apply CSS to HTML. First, inline styles directly on an HTML tag using the style attribute. Second, internal CSS inside a style tag in your HTML head. And third, external CSS using a separate .css file linked via link rel equals stylesheet. External CSS is the industry standard for clean, maintainable code. Let's link our styles.css file and start styling. CSS works using rules. A selector targets an element, followed by curly braces containing property and value pairs. We can target elements by tag name, ID, or class. Classes are written with a dot, like .profile card, and allow us to style multiple elements at once. Every HTML element is a box. The box model consists of content, padding inside the element, border around it, and margin outside it. Always set box sizing. Border box at the top of your style sheet so padding doesn't break your layout widths. Let's turn this plain black and white text into a sleek modern design. We set our page background using background color with hex values or RGB colors. Next, we customize typography using font family, font size, line height, and font weight. Using modern web fonts like Inter or JetBrains Mono makes your website instantly look high quality and professional. Notice how much readable our card header looks already. Centering elements on a web page used to be a nightmare. Flexbox makes it simple. To align our developer card perfectly in the center of the screen, we set Display, Flex on the body container, along with Justify Content, Center for horizontal alignment, and Align items, Center for vertical alignment. Inside the card, Flexbox also lets us stack elements vertically using Flex Direction, Column, and space them out effortlessly using the Gap property. Now let's turn our container into a floating modern card. We give .profile card a dark background, padding, and border radius for smooth rounded corners. To give it depth, we add a box shadow. Next, we style our link into a high conversion call to action button using padding, background color, and color. We also add a hover pseudo class with a CSS transition so the button smoothly elevates when hovered. Look at the transformation. We started with raw HTML text and turned it into a polished, production-ready developer profile card. We covered the 3 ways to add CSS, classes, and selectors, the box model, Flexbox centering, and hover animations. In video 3, we will add JavaScript to make this card fully interactive with dynamic click events and theme toggling. Subscribe so you don't miss part 3.